So let's cook bacon and eggs on toast in the air fryer. Now the first thing we're going to need here, of course, is some toast bread. We're going to need some bacon, we're going to need eggs, and then over here we have the seasonings, which are salt and pepper, and an empty glass, which should be looking like this. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is put your toast inside the air fryer, okay? So put it in there because it's the easiest to actually prepare while the bread is already inside your air fryer like that. And then we're going to take our glass and we're kind of going to make a dent into our bread just like this. So this is basically going to be a place where we're going to put our eggs so the eggs don't spill out. Next, we're going to put on our bacon, so you can put as much as you want. We just put around 2 slices, completely up to you. And then, of course, our egg as well. We just find it the easiest to actually crack it in a separate cup. So, of course, it's easier to pour on just like this, and it doesn't spill over the edge. Now, we're going to do the same for the second toast as well. Now you'll see here that the egg actually spills over a bit. That's not a problem because it's going to bake either way, and then you have to put on your pepper and your salt, and of course it's now perfectly seasoned and ready to go into the air fryer. We're actually going to cook this in the air fryer for about 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and of course it could be a minute up or a minute down depending on how thick your bread is, and whenever you take it out it should be looking something like this. Now we're going to take this out and put it onto a plate, and of course it's ready to be eaten, and just make sure you don't actually burn yourself because this is hot. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.